Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation we're using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's go to shape layers, hold this icon and choose render the rectangle tool. And let's create one rectangle like this. And I turn off stroke color and my fill color like this, dark blue. And go to roughness, let's change roughness for smooth. Also, we can open rectangle 1, rectangle path 1, and we can control roughness here. So, in this time, let's change name button. Okay, go to FX presets, search FX sweep, and choose CC light sweep. Let's use for button. And go to this direction, let's change direction 0. And width, let's change width like this. And sweep intensity, let's change this 0. So for this, I will see only this light line. And also edge intensity, let's change like this. And edge thickness, let's write here 2. Also color, let's open light color, choose blue. Okay, and for smooth lighting, go to shape and choose here smooth. Nice. So also we can change light reception. We can go to here and change to cutout. And we can animate like this. Okay, but today I will use add. So in this time, go to FX presets, search effect glow. And choose glow, use for button. And change radius. And the settings. Okay, now let's go to sweep direction and let's animate it. Hold Alt, click direction time icon for open expression, and let's write here time 15. And for down expression, click this empty area and preview animation. Okay, this so slowly. Let's change this 60. Okay, that's good. So let's go to here and we can change width like this for more lighting. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's right click new and solid layer for background. Add the name background and okay. Move to behind of shape layer. Go to FX presets, search effect gradient ramp. And choose gradient ramp, use for background layer. And now let's go to start color, choose dark blue, and in color let's use like this blue. Okay, so go to ramp shape, choose radial ramp and swap colors and hold these points. Let's move to like this. Also ramp scatter 100. Okay, so we can change start color more light blue and also this. Okay, and go to FX presets, search effect grid and go to background. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate and change name grid. Go to choose gradient and delete. Back to FX presets, search effect grid and choose grid effect, drag and drop for use grid layer. And go to size form, choose here width slider and change slider like this. And border, let's write here 3 and opacity. Let's write 5. And go to FX presets, search effect CC lens and use for grid layer and change size. Okay, that's good. And choose button. Go to properties and click size icon. Go to here. Let's create size keyframe and back to first keyframe. Change size 0 and make the keyframes easy or click F9. Go to graph editor, choose graph and make graph smooth animation and preview animation. Okay, that's good. So let's go to text and write here SaaS tool. clicization tool and change font size. And let's double click for edit, choose SaaS and change color to white, and text, choose banner or choose small. Okay, and let's go to FX Preset, search effect again, glow, use for text and change settings like this. Okay, and go to window, animation comes here. If you have not animation comes here 3, I will add link below, you can check out now. And let's choose text presets and let's use this overshot scale and click in, close window, and let's see. Okay, choose SaaS tool, move to right and go to track matte. Let's link to button, choose button, enable. If you haven't seen track matte, you can click toggle switch modes and let's see. Nice. And back to toggle switch modes and choose button, enable motion blur. Okay, that's good. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.